Cruisers. Hey everyone, it's Kate from Wild Tales Of. If you're new here on YouTube and on my blog, wildtalesof.com, share about family travel and outdoor adventure. We are on spring break, our kids are on spring break, and we are in California. We flew down from Seattle a couple days ago and we were hanging out in Huntington Beach. And today we are going on an adventure on our bikes. So as you can see, the big famous Pier is in the background. And we're on the bike trail, just getting situated. We had to rent Georgia a bike, but our rental house came with a bunch of bikes that were enough for Bergen, Slade, and I. But we just rented a bike for Georgia because there wasn't one her size. We're going to take the bike path, walking path, to Bolsa Chica Reserve. And we're hoping to see some amazing birds there and other things. Here we go.
This is all Bolsa Chica State Beach, and then on the other side of the road is the Bolsa Chica Reserve.
And that's where we are going.
We're here. And what I want to do, I want to go up this way, and then go this way, here, up, and then that way, come back, and then go that way.
This is the interpretive center, is that right? Where
Yeah,
the
so we're
fish
gonna
is?
do that, go up there, and then go back here, do the loop trail, and then go here.
So this is the Bolsa Chica Ecological Reserve. And here's an egret. So tell us where Huntington Beach is located.
Huntington Beach is that way, about 3 miles.
Okay, but as far as in California, where is it located?
Oh, it is in between LA and San Diego on the coast.
Which way is LA?
LA's that way.
There it is. You can just barely see the city there. Are there any dangerous animals here?
There's rattlesnakes. They may be found over here,
Really?
but it's rare.
Okay, we'll be cautious then. Morgan, tell me your favorite part of the Bolsa Chica Reserve.
Definitely the gum.
Great.
No, I like the bird hatchery the best.
The bird hatchery, what's that? I didn't see that.
Nothing.
Oh, over here, the nesting area that's fenced off. Cool. What was your favorite part of the Bolsa Chica Reserve?
I like the heron. A lot of herons. I like the heron in the palm tree, because you don't see them in Seattle hanging out in palm trees.
Yeah, and we think there were a bunch of babies in there, huh?
Yes, we did.
What was your favorite part of the Bolsa Chica?
So put it like this.
Sorry. My favorite part of the Bolsa Chica was two things. I like the animals and birds and stuff. Second thing is I like the signs when like you had to do like kid things.
Oh, they did have a lot of signs. Good tip, Georgia. Where you had things to match and facts to figure out. Nice, thanks. All right.
Yeah, we're gonna keep going.
So we're getting back on our bikes and we're gonna head back on the trail and grab some lunch. So we'll see you wherever we decide that is. We are back at our rental house and having a little bit of downtime. Georgia, what are you doing?
I'm building my head.
What are you making?
Mirror head.
She's got a Mirda brick head over there. Also Moana, but currently working on Mirda. So, and that might give you a little hint of what we're going to be up to next. But yesterday, we didn't make an entire video, but I did want to share a couple of the things that we did just to add to our Huntington Beach adventure here in case you might be traveling here and needed to know some more. But yesterday we headed down from here. We walked to the pier and then got on the beach and walked all the way very far down and actually made our way to even Dog Beach. And that's when we turned around and headed back. And had lots of fun looking at shells and sea creatures and birds and everything along the way. It was pretty low tide. And as we were making our way back, we stumbled upon a nonprofit that kind of had a table and was stationed there for the day. And they were handing out bags and they had gloves for folks to do a beach cleanup if they wanted to. And so we thought that that was a great thing to do on our way back into town. So we picked up a bag and some gloves and filled it up with a bunch of trash that we found along the way. So that was pretty cool. Oh yeah, good job.
10 pounds.
Woo!
10 pounds. Look at all that trash in there.
Oh, I really want to see that. Dump that.
Dump it.
And then another thing we recommend is checking out the surfing museum. So there's a very small surfing museum, and the folks in there are very nice and friendly, and it's free, although they of course take donations, and that's an easy thing, quick thing to just go in there and explore and learn about the surfing here in Huntington Beach, since this is Surf City, USA. And also check out the giant surfboard. We learned that I think they had 66 people on this giant surfboard, and that is in the Guinness Book of World Records. So actually the surfboard is outside of the museum, so even if the museum's not open, you can check that out. The board weighed 1,300 pounds and measured 42 feet long and 11 feet wide. A crane was required to get the surfboard on the water. Then the group of 66 dudes and dudettes hopped on the gigantic board and rode a wave for 12 seconds. The surfboard's 42 feet long, and so that was also part of the world record, was the longest surfboard and the most people on a surfboard. But we're gonna wrap it up here and call it a day. Hope you enjoyed our adventure here in Huntington Beach. Tomorrow we are headed out. We will give a tour of our rental here in case you're interested in, that'll be in our next video, so stay tuned for that. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed our video, we would always appreciate if you give us a thumbs up, and we'd love for you to subscribe so you can join us on all our adventures. And we hope you're staying happy and healthy, and we hope you are getting out and having some brave wild adventures, and we'll
See you next time.
bye.